friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Morningstar vegan corn dogs. So they're not regular hot dogs, they look like this, but they're actually a plant-based alternative. And we're going to cook it from frozen. So all we need is a package of Morningstar corn dogs. No need to defrost, air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. Let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put these corn dogs in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 17 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the corn dogs. Look at that, they look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let's take them out of the air fryer. So they're very hot, that's why I'm using a silicone mitt. You can always use a kitchen towel. Perfect. And let me just cut one so I can show you that they're hot and fully cooked inside. So see, perfectly cooked inside. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So it looks like the outside is nicely brown, the inside is cooked. Let's see what it tastes like. So good. It's so crunchy on the outside, perfectly hot and cooked on the inside, and it actually tastes just like a regular corn dog. I can't believe this is vegan. They do an amazing job of making it taste the same as normal corn dogs. So if you like corn dogs but you're plant-based, I highly recommend this product. So good. It's a Morningstar corn dog. And the air fryer is a perfect method of cooking them because they come out so crispy on the outside. Perfect. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!